Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to use Apple Pay. So let's jump right into it. First, open Wallet app and then tap on the plus on the top right corner. After that, tap on debit or credit card and then tap on continue. Tap on enter card details manually and go ahead and enter the card details. Once you're done from here, tap on next on the top right corner. Wait for a second. And it will require you to fill in more details about your card. Once you do that, tap on next on the top right corner again. Wait for a couple seconds and then read the terms and conditions and tap on agree on the bottom right corner. From here, wait a couple more seconds. Now you'll have to do the card verification either through text or call. I will get the text in a minute. Here it is. Once the card is activated, tap on use as default card. From here, wait a little bit. And then from here, you can go ahead and make your payments using Apple Pay. Of course, ask if they have Apple Pay available in the store. If they do the Face ID and then hold near a reader, and you'll be using Apple Pay to pay for your stuff. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Also subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.